Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's another Tip Tuesday. This week's tip, we are again focusing on Sway leading up to our entire Waffle Wednesday session that we're having coming up in a couple of days, so be sure to sign up for that. Today's tip, we're going to focus on focus points. Pun intended. What does that mean? In this template for our newsletter, we have an image that they're using for the background. If I select that image and then click the focal points in the upper right-hand corner, we get a preview of what that image will look like in different form factors. What I mean by that is different screen sizes. We can look at this on a computer, we might be looking at it on an iPad or a different device, or on your phone. So have you ever on your social media added a banner image, and when you look at it on your phone, you're seeing people's feet instead of their faces? That's part of the problem. In Sway, you can designate exactly what you want to be the focus of the picture, regardless of what screen size they're viewing it on. We do that by following the instructions above the picture that says tap on what's important so that Sway can position your image. Tap again to remove. If I want to focus on this young lady, I can click there and it doesn't really change much. I'm going to click it again to remove the focus, and let's focus on the wheelbarrow instead. Notice now my banner images focus on the wheelbarrow in the different form factors. If you pick two, it might try to split it, and that looks a little bit weird. So pick what's important, create your focal point, and close the pane. Now when we go to play that Sway, regardless of what size screen we're working in, we will have the focus on what is important in the picture. That's my tip for this week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back next week with another great tip. And in the meantime, check out these great events we have coming up. Until next time, I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.